about this time every week, my body screams out for rest. My brain says, Juno, hold on. One more hitch of snow. One more work shift. You gotta hold on.
Brain's right, Gino. It's only Monday.
Hey, Tatum Manelli, wait up. Oh, hi, Mr. Tatum. How are you?
Oh, hi, Mr. Tatum.
Hey, listen, I haven't had a chance to chat with you guys since I was put in charge of this section. You're a couple of bright guys.
Thank you.
Yeah. So you don't have anything to worry about when the layoffs come. Catch you tomorrow.
Tatum? Layoff? What layoff?
Listen, sales have been pretty soft, you know, and you know what that means. I got some pretty tough decisions on who stays and who goes. What do you got to worry about? You don't need this job. Why, here you're professional musicians.
We have to pay the bills. It's strictly for fun.
Oh, yeah, just a hobby. Hitch assemblies are our life.
Good. Nothing to worry about. You got me to look out for you. Whoa. One more thing. I'm planning to take the little woman out for dinner tonight, and I'm a little short on cash.